Hello there, and thank you for joining me today. Today I'm going to be planning in my wellness planner for the week of November the 12th through the 18th. So pull these pages out. And in this week, I'm going to be using some of the washi from Healthy Hero. I've got the 3 books of the Healthy Hero. And then I have all my fitness rolls. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, and I think that is the week, so let's plop it in my planner. I've also got one of these little quote pages in there for inspiration, but I think that's it. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask in the comments below. But otherwise, thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks so much. See you next time.